Hey friends, today I'm sharing my go-to all-purpose keto spice rub mix. This stuff is smoky, savory, and absolutely perfect for ribs, chicken, steak, burgers, brisket, or anything else you want. And the best part, it's totally sugar-free and low-carb. So here's what you will need. Half cup brown sugar replacement, like Swerve. Quarter cup white sugar replacement, like the monk fruit erythritol blend from Costco I use. 1 tablespoon rosemary powder. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. 1 tablespoon onion powder. 1 tablespoon smoked paprika. 2 teaspoons chili powder, or you can replace some with cayenne pepper if you like it spicier. 2 teaspoons salt. Half to 1 teaspoon black pepper. And 1 teaspoon dried mustard. Just mix everything together until it's well combined, and that's it. This rub is amazing on ribs, but you can use it on any meat. Chicken thighs, steak, even burgers. It's super versatile and full of flavor. Give this rub a try and let me know in the comments what meat you're using it on. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more keto recipes, and I'll see you in the next one.